Ever hit that order button and immediately regretted it? Here's how to cancel your Uber Eats order, quickly and easily. First, open your Uber Eats app, tap on your current order, which you'll usually find prominently displayed on the main screen. Once you're on the order details page, look for a cancel order option. This is typically found near the bottom of the screen. Now, you'll be presented with a confirmation screen. Uber Eats will usually ask you to confirm your decision to cancel. It's important to read this carefully, as it might explain any potential fees associated with canceling, depending on how far along your order is. You might also be prompted to select a reason for your cancellation. This helps Uber Eats improve their service. Pick the option that best fits your situation. After confirming, you'll receive a notification that your order has been successfully canceled. If a refund is due, it should be processed back to your original payment method. Remember, the window to cancel without potential fees can be very short, especially if the restaurant has already started preparing your food or the driver has been assigned. If you miss the immediate cancellation window, or if the situation is a bit more complex, like an order being significantly delayed, you might need to go to the help section within the app to contact customer support for further assistance. Understanding these steps empowers you to manage your Uber Eats orders effectively.